failed. But, so what are we doing? Right now I'm checking my email. Okay, dude. Hey, just to state the time, it's like 8:23 at night. It's pitch black outside. We just had fajitas and nachos.
And we're supposed to be outside at a big
But
bonfire.
we're doing eel homework.
It has to be about American eels and how they're dying.
And we're watching YouTube videos about
Gabriel Iglesias.
Okay.
I don't think you can. I don't know if you can see me. Can you?
Jordan's going to be there.
Am I? Folks? What?
Well, they're gonna see.
Yeah, because I don't know.
Ow!